G'day folks, Ben from Snows, having a look today at the Gerber ComplEAT Griddle. This is part of the Gerber ComplEAT cookware range. Let's check it out. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. We're here today having a look at this range of ComplEAT gear from Gerber, COMPLEAT. It's high quality cooking and eating gear for camping. It feels like you're using your high quality utensils from home. And today we're looking at the griddle there. This is the ComplEAT Griddle. You can see they've made this as a square set of shape, so it really maximizes the amount of space when you've got it on top of a stove like this. And this is a carbon steel plate. They haven't used cast iron, they've used carbon steel. So you get a nice smooth surface on it. And once you've seasoned this, you get a really, really high performance non-stick surface on there as well. So this is just carbon steel, it needs to be seasoned before first use. Now it weighs around about 1.59 kilos and measures around, or just under 30 centimeters from edge to edge here. Obviously if you measure this way, it's a little bit more, and it's about 2 centimeters in depth to the edge here. There's a bit of a lip, so if you've got a bit of moisture and stuff in there, it's not going to come out. But great for meats, steaks, cooking chickens and the likes if you like. Now the handle is a stainless steel detachable handle. It's got a little lever here. You push this in and you push it down. It fits quite firmly, so it is a nice sturdy handle. Certainly doesn't feel like it's going to come off. You've got this stainless steel bracket riveted to the side here. It goes all the way through, so it's really durably made. And this is around about 20 centimeters with a nice tactile feeling rubbery handle on there. You can get a really good grip on that. It's certainly no corners cut in the way that's made. There's just a simple locking mechanism here, which is a sheet metal thing riveted in here, so there's not really many moving parts that can disappear. And it doesn't push down, it actually pulls up so that it locks into place like that. And when you're using it, this hook is going to keep it in place. So this doesn't even actually have to do much. The latch just sits there. It's the weight that keeps the fry pan in place. It feels really durable. Now this isn't, you can buy cheaper fry pans for sure. But with these guys, everything's been considered with the complete range. That space, the usable space that you get when you use it on a stove, beautifully smooth finish on here, nice durable handle that works with the other cookware from the Gerber ComplEAT range, so you can move it from one to the other. And then when you want to transport it, this comes off and just sits inside. So you've got a small item, much smaller item to transport. You don't have to worry about where the handle sits when you've got it in your vehicle. That is the Gerber ComplEAT Griddle. If you cook a lot of food and the likes, you really want to get the most out of your cooking surface off of a small camp stove. You don't have to fit a really big round fry pan in. You can make do with a slightly smaller but squarer fry pan. Check out the ComplEAT Griddle, really high quality cookware for outdoor cooking. Check it out online at snowies.com.au.